good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at the Metal Check Penetrant Inspection Kit. It's about $90. It comes in a nice metal red case, and it's from Aircraft Spruce. So go ahead and get one in case you need one, but let's talk a little bit more about this particular one. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Well, let's take a look at the Metal Check. There's nothing really unusual about this kit. You get a can of penetrant after you've cleaned everything. It soaks into the metal, and then you wipe it all off mechanically with paper, and then you spray developer. That way it soaks into any crack or anything that you have in your metal. And it works not only for propeller, but you also get the handle for holding the can kind of nicely and a brush for scrubbing with, and it's a brass bristle brush, so it will not hurt the aluminum. But anyway, you get the kit. You get 2 cans of the cleaner. You get a can of the penetrant, and you get a can of the developer, and those all fit in that nice container. Now, the container used to be a black molded container, and we have one, but this metal one is kind of nice, and when you're done using all the penetrant, you've got a nice metal case out of the deal. But again, you can use this for any kind of a metal, whether it's an aluminum or propeller. You could use it on the cast iron, looking for cracks in the intake manifolds on your car. Anything that you have metal that you suspect having a crack in, this will work on. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.